Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to my channel Code with Pooja Gupta, and I am Pooja. A huge welcome to you all. And let's continue with today's SQL series. So it's day 13th of our consistency, and it lasts 12 days. We are together and we are revising, also solving the HackerRank questions regarding SQL. Okay, so let's continue the question. So today I will start solving the questions from average populations of each continent, and the above question for this question are I solved in my last videos. If you are interested to know that how I'll solve these videos, please refer those videos, and please like, share and subscribe those videos also. Okay, so these are the last question of our easy level difficulty, and after this question we will shift to the medium level difficulty. Okay, now continue with the question. So what the query says: when given city and the country table, okay, query the name of all continents and their respective average city population. Okay, so we have to query the name of the all continents and the average population of that continents. Okay, and round rounded down the nearest integer. Okay, so here is the I will tell you the main three things what I have learned when I solve this question. Okay, so first of all, this is the most important thing. I'll tell you three things. Rounded down, round to decimal, or just round. Okay, and here is to round to next integer. Round to next int. Okay, so these are the so this was the first one, this was the second one, and these are the third one. What I will tell you. Okay, so round down. Okay, round down. When we let's let's consider number 2, 3, 4, and 5. I will tell you to round the value to the nearest down one. Okay, I'll tell you round the value to the nearest integer. Okay, so what you will do? Maximum people will do it to put it to 3, and very rare will put it 2. Okay, so when I want to round down, this is a round down. Okay, this is what? This is a next round to the next int. Okay, and when I tell you to round it to the 2 decimal, so 2.34, this is what you will do. Okay, I think I created so much mess here. I will clear it and try to explain you again. Okay, third new pen. Okay, so it was too light. This time 2.345. I will tell you to please round it to the next integer. What you will do? You will put 3. I will tell you to please round it to the nearest integer which is lower to it. So what you will do? You will round 2. I will tell you to please round this particular number to the 2 decimal places. So what you will do? 2.34. Okay, and maybe it will be 2.5 because of the 5 is yeah. Okay, So this is a thing that round. Now the thing you will do here, the 3.24 to 522, it is a round down. Okay, when you wanted to decrease the value to the nearest integer, it's round down. When you are increasing the value to the next integer, rounding the value to the next integer, round the value to next integer. So it is a, what is it? It is a round. It is a upping the value. Okay, and when you are here, you are rounding the value to the two decimal places. So it is a, now these all three things, this one, and this one, having separate functions for each. Now which function do what, I will tell you. Okay, so this one, tell the color, change the color, and I'm just pink. So what it will do, so this function round down will be do by what, it was do by the function called, what the function calls, round down, no? Just forgot it. Wait a minute. I reminded function till this one, this one. This is a floor, say, yeah. Okay. So this will call floor. Okay. The floor function is used to what, round down to next int. Okay, round down to next int. Again here is round function. Okay, this will use to round to particular decimal points. Okay, and this one, this three, floor function. Let's click one. Sorry guys. Floor, sorry, sale, CEIL, sale is, sale function is a function, is used for what, is used for what, is used to round up value to the next int. Okay, so for a next int, the sale, sorry guys, and to particular decimal point, and to the next to the next point, round to the next, it will be the int, and round down to next int to particular decimal point, seal. So I will delete this old mess, and again I will just tell you simple thing here. Okay, ATJ. So first, round function, sale function, and floor. Okay, is used to round to next int. Okay, sale is used to what? C is used to round to 3 years or small next small int. Okay, and round is used to round is used to just round the value to particular same int or to limit the value to the particular decimal points. That's points. Okay, these are the three things I have to explain prior before solving all the today's three questions. Okay, so I think you will get my point, and if you are not, so please chat GPT and further read that. Okay, now continue with the first question of today because it was giving a, I think video will be lengthy if I not proceed with this. Okay, so given the city and the country table, query the names of all the continents and their respective average populations. Okay, now round down the nearest integer. Nearest integer, it will be a floor. Okay, so select COUNTRY country dot continent will be capital letters. NENT continent. Okay, now we note to what? We note to average and then round. Okay, so first of all I will use floor and after floor average, then average what? City dot population population. Okay, from where? From city join country, country. Okay, on what? On city dot COUNTRY country code equals to COUNTRY country dot code. Code will be capital. Yeah. Okay, this is what. Okay, and then also we need to floor the average of, so and the name of continents, country dot continent, which continent is it now? Country dot continent, city dot population. Yeah, now it's group. We have to group the question. Okay, so group by what? COUNTRY country dot CONTINENT continent. Okay, country dot continent. So it will give the answer. Here from city join country and then country and then continent. Okay, I'm ready to run the code. Yeah, so it was giving me right answer. Okay, the Asia continent, Europe continent, Ocean, South America, and Africa. There are total 5 continents and then the results. Okay, so I'm ready to submit this code and getting your things. And yeah, so my test case 0 is pass, compiler success, expected output, and the congratulation banner is also here. Okay, so I am done with this question for today, and now continue with the next question. It is pets. Okay, so PADS, pets. So generate the following two result set. Okay, so we are here to result two result set. It means we have to query two queries at a time. Query the alphabetical order list of the all occupations. Immediately follow the first letter of each profession as a parenthesis. Okay, that is inclusion parenthesis. For example, an actor named A doctor named D. Okay, so let's see the simple output. Ashley P. So P will be professor. Kristen P. professor. Jane A. actor. Janet doctor. Julia actor. Okay, the kind of thing. Okay, this was the first query. Okay, now second query, what is? Query the name of the occurrence of each occupation. Okay, so for the occurrence, what we need? For occurrence we need a count function. Okay, also for the parenthesis we need a concate function. Okay, now sort the occurrence in the ascending order and output of them will be in format. Okay, so output will have format like this. Okay, so for the formatting, what we will do? We will use the or operator. Okay, so let's continue with this question. Okay, so select. Okay, select what? Select the. Okay, so select and what the name? The name of the occupations. Okay, in what kind? In this way. Okay, so we need a concat function in which it give a name, then comma, then this one will be like here, and then for the first letter of the profession. Okay, so professional, doctor, actor kind of. So we'll use substring, sub str, and we'll get the what substring? So occupation substring. So O double C U P A, the occupation, comma one. Okay, then will be here. Okay, this is the concrete. Yeah, so select concrete name. Yeah, as full. Now from where? From occupations table. Take table name what? Table name is occupations. So control C, control V from occupations. Now we need to order by. So order by what? Order by name. Okay, so it will be the first. What they are asking? They are asking to concate the name with the first initial. So we use the initials here. These are the initials. Yes, this was the initial. Yes, as a full from the occupants. Yeah. Now for the second query, query the name of the occurrence of each occupations. So we have to calculate the occupations occurrence. Select. Okay. Now we have to write this thing. So control C and then control V. Okay, and also I think also use concate here. Concate. Yeah, concate this thing, then comma, then what? Then count. What? Occupation. 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 One occupation. Then after the occupations, what they are want? So total of occupations count n. Then here is the space and then OCCUPATION occupation, then S and dot. Okay, because they are doctors, and also we have to lower case because all the occupations are starting with the capital letters are here, like doctor, actor, and they are here in a small letter. So here is okay. Now concave, and here using this. Now from where, from what will see occupations. Okay, so occupation I will copy paste again, control C and then control V, occupations, from occupations. Okay, now I have also order by, because here you saw that doc 2234 and after 22 DS, so I have to order by what, O double C star of, no, it's O double C U, sorry, CUPATION is occupations. Okay, occupations, and yeah, bus. And also as I observe that we are using a count function here, and the count is only able to a group. Okay, so before order we have to group by clause, and it is on, what will CUPATION, occupation, where is it, occupation. Okay, then occupation, then order by occupation also, then not order but as total. Okay, so first order by total and then by occupation, because total will be 2 3, then what kind of a thing. Okay, so let's run the query and see the result. Okay, there is something error at line for unknown column, occupations, occupations from, yeah, occupation, it was occupation. Again, yeah, 3 4, yeah, there's a no space between of, so there is a space, yeah. So the test case 0 is passed, ready to submit the code. And today is a very lengthy video, it's almost 22 minutes is done. Okay, so my net is slow, working slow, fetching result, and test case 0 is passed, compliance is success, all the test cases are passed, and completion banner is here. So this question is done, and let's move forward with the next question and the last question of today. So here is given a table BST, binary search tree, okay, and contain two columns N and P, where N represents the value of the node in a binary tree and P is the parent of N. Okay, so you know what is a binary tree. Of course, you will know that a particular node can only have a two childs. Okay, so if I tell this node is a 1 and this is a node 2, okay, this is a node and this is a parent node. Okay, so I'll tell node 1 is a, okay, this is a node 1. Okay, now, and this is a node 3 and this is a node 4. Okay, so this is a node 1 and it is a parent of 2. Okay, node 1 is a parent of 2. Okay, now, and this is a 5. Okay, let's think it's 5. Now node 2, so node 2 having the parent 1. Okay, no, 3 is a parent, no, it's not parent. 4 is a parent, yeah, 3 having one parent, 4 having one parent, and 1 having parent what, 1 having parent 5. Sorry, I just misunderstanding it. 1 having parent 5, 2 having parent 5, 3 is parent 1, and 4 is parent 1. Okay, and what about what? So 5 having no parent, so it will be none. Okay, so if I will tell you, so what is 2 is a leaf node or root node? Of course, it's a 2 is a leaf node. Why it's a leaf node? Because it is a no, sorry, parent node or leaf node. So it is a leaf node because there is a no more nodes inside again in the further processing of 2. So it's a leaf node. Okay. Now 3 and 4 are same leaf node. Okay. So I'm telling 1 is a leaf node or a parent node. Of course, 1 is a parent node. Why it's parent node? It is a parent node because 3 and 4 are this its child. Okay. Now 5 is a parent node, and of course it is a root node. Why it's root node? Because it is a topmost node of the tree. Okay. Now I will tell you, please identify the same things from this table. Will you able to identify? I think you are not able to identify right now, but I will give you one logic. Okay. If you saw here that 5 is a node, okay, and 5 having any parent? No. So what is mentioned is a null. Okay. 3 is here. 3 is a leaf node. And 3 is a parent? Yeah, it is a parent. Is 3 is represented as a parent in any of the particular person? No. So if 3 is not listed in a P, it means parent table, parent column. So 3 is a leaf node. You get my point? If 3 is not listed as parent in the parent column, which is a parent column? It is a parent column. Okay. If 3 is not listed in the parent column, so it was a what? It was a leaf node. Okay. Also, 1 is what? 1 is a parent column for a 3 and 4. If 1 is 1 is in one node. Okay. If 1 is listed in parent column, which is here, 1 is here and 1 is also here. If 1 is listed here and here, so what is, if 1 is listed in parent node and parent node, then it will be what? It will be a parent node. Okay. So I think I am complete clear this point that what is a parent node, what is a child node, and what is a leaf node. Okay. So let's go together, and we have to indicate it here like this thing. So continue with the code. Select, then concate. Not concate, but yeah, I will concate. No, I will just use n here, name, then case when p is null. If p is null for a particular n, if p is null, then it's what? Then it is root. Okay. And when n in what? If n in p, so select p from binary search to BST. Then what is it? It's an it's inner. Okay. Else it is a leaf. Okay. And then n, and it will be as a tree. From where? From binary search to BST, and also order by capital N. That is a node. So ready to run the code. Yeah. So the sample test case 0 will be passed. Is passed. Okay. Test case 0 is passed, and condition, and this submit code is here, and fetching the results and the compiler message success and getting all the answers as a correct. Congratulations, banner is here. So for today I'm done with this SQL series, and if you think the video is beneficial for you and you get something knowledge from this, so please like, share and subscribe my video. Bye bye.